The leaf is part of a years-long project to replace the Assiniboine Park Conservatory, which was demolished in 2018. The construction of the leaf was funded by all three levels of government and private donors. Construction began in 2019, and 3 years later, this brand new building in Assiniboine Park opened its doors in December 2022. In the previous video titled Tropical Plants, we explored the tropical biome of the leaf. In this video, we'll walk you through the Mediterranean biome and the seasonal garden. When we visited the leaf in late October this year, it was cold outside. However, inside this horticultural attraction at Winnipeg's Assiniboine Park, we were welcomed by a climate that made us feel like we were in a warm part of the world. As soon as we stepped inside the building and saw all this tropical greenery, it felt like being in an oasis, while outside was full of snow. Inside this Mediterranean biome, the temperature is cooler and drier compared to its neighboring tropical biome, mimicking the Mediterranean climate. Here, we found a variety of herbs, grasses, shrubs, and trees, mostly native to the Mediterranean climatic zone. As you ascend the stone-walled ramp, you'll discover a sitting area, complete with bistro-like tables where you can relax and enjoy the sights of the Mediterranean plants. Oh, mga herb! Halos mga herb dito! Yeah. Ang ganda nitong bulaklak na to, oh. I don't know. Oh, nasa kabila yung pangalan. Continuing from the Mediterranean biome is the seasonal garden. A broken tree was placed at the entrance as a reminder that we were at the end of the Mediterranean theme biome. When you go into the seasonal garden, you'll see a red house, various sized pumpkins, and chrysanthemum flowers in yellow, red, and orange. These things tell you that the garden is all about fall, and it feels nice, welcoming, calming, and relaxing. We sat here for a while and enjoyed the moment. The living wall, or the wall of plants, was amazingly beautiful. From its design to its color and texture, staring at it gives you the feeling that you were transported to the foot of the rolling hills. Kita mo yan dati, oh, nakapaso lang siya pero ano, oh. Ayan, ang laki ng
Pero ang
paso
laki,
niya.
oh.
Ano pa yan? Ito na, intriga ako yan. Japanese, ano ba to? Japanese
Wala
maple?
akong pangalan eh.
Dito, wala ba ito? Diyan. Ito. Maple Grove.
Maple Grove,
Oh, so
oh.
might be Japanese maple nga
Japanese maple.
siguro. Ano.